Hello friends, thank you so much for liking my first video on how to become successful in sales. Hi, my name is Pankaj Sharma. I am an author, trainer and a speaker. Today I will be going to take you to the next part in the selling skills, that is called the communication. So we have seen in the first part, in the communication and prospecting, what are the most important things are there which you need to take care. So my question to you, you may be working in any industry. If you are working in the sales, so let me share with you the most rewarding career which you can have in your life, that is in sales. Why it is rewarding? Because more challenges, more rewards. You can have a lot of incentive, you can earn a lot of recognition, reward, and even finally the promotion to the next level. So if you are in the sales, that is fascinating and very exciting job. So my request to you, while you are doing anything in the business of sales, it is rewarding, exciting and interesting because of the kind of glory which you have. But this glory will only come to you when you are able to do it successfully, and you will be going to become successful in this career. Now let me share with you few important things. So in the process of this, the important thing is the communication. So when it comes to communication, as I shared with you in the last video, if you have not seen my last video, I would request and encourage each one of you to please watch my video, how to become successful in sales, where I shared about the prospecting, where I shared about the important parts of the communication, that how to speak is how much important. Now let me take you to the second part. So whenever you are doing prospecting, remember few important things. Whenever you are doing prospecting, at the initial part of your mind and in your brain, the thing which is going on, the closing of the call, but at the back of the head, you know your customer is there in front of you. So whenever in the communication, in the interaction with the customer, whenever you are doing prospecting, whenever customer says something, important thing is that you listen to that. So what happens, what mistake people are doing, people are not listening what customer want to share. They just wanted to throw out what they have, something with them, what are their products, what are their objectives. So don't share about your objective until otherwise you don't understand exactly what customer want to speak. So when it comes to your customer is sharing with you something, or your customer is saying you something during the process of prospecting or during the process of fact finding, listen that. Stop talking to yourself and give your complete attention. And few important body languages which will definitely going to help you. Like for example, whenever your customer is saying you something, lean forward. Put your eyes in the eyes of the customer. Listen to the customer completely and show empathy. And how you can show empathy? Here some verbal cues will be going to helpful to you. What are the verbal cues? Show your facial expression. You can do something like this. Okay. Oh. So this is what the verbal cues, and make sure that you give complete attention to the customer without talking to yourself. So in this process of listening to your customer, the most important part is don't talk to yourself. And I always used to call it as a chotu. Chotu is what your little brain who is keep on talking to you, engaged you in the communication, your own internal communication. So don't do internal communication. Put your 100% concentration towards the customer, what customer is sharing with you. So that's the first important point, that is called empathy. And where most of the salesmen, they do mistake. They are in their own discussion, internal discussion. They don't pay complete attention to the customer. Then number two, in the process of communication, whenever you are doing prospecting or whenever you are doing something with your customer, you want your sales to be closed. First important thing is understand your customer. If they are sharing with you some important points regarding their situation, regarding their need, regarding their already they have some solutions available with them, listen to that, understand that, and at the same time keep on thinking, how can I help him? So there are two ways of thinking. One way is, may I going to have this customer, may I going to have this call, may I going to have this successful call or not, am I be in the position to close this call perfectly, and at the same time there is a communication which is going on. So you must be thinking about the future aspect which is not there existing with you, but the present things which are there, which your customer is sharing about the worries, problem and his personal situation and the issues. So put your feet in the shoes of the customer and then think, is there anything available with me which will be very helpful to my customer? Is there anything in my basket which will help my customer in solving his problem and their issues? When you think from this perspective, I'm sure your customer, once you propose your solution, once you share your solution to the customer in terms of maybe your product, in terms of maybe your brands, in terms of maybe your policy in the insurance, your customer will definitely going to buy it. Why? Because you are not thinking from your perspective and the perspective of a salesman, you are thinking from the perspective of the customer. So that is called the empathic thinking. So when you do this empathic thinking, your call will going to close perfectly, and the chances for the closure is very, very high. So I believe that this will be very helpful to you and useful to you. Do follow these tricks and tips which will be very helpful to you in the upcoming closing calls. So wish you a very happy closing in each and every call. You may be working in the pharmaceutical industry or insurance industry or any other industry. When you think from this perspective, you don't think from the perspective of a salesman who wanted to close the call, who is always in the hurry to close the call, but you are thinking from the perspective of the customer, and that possibly be very helpful to you in terms of closing the call. Wish you all the best. Wish you a great success here.